Let's unbox my new purse from Betsey Johnson. P.S. I've been wanting this purse for literally like forever since it came out, but I refuse to pay full price on pretty much anything, and I know that Betsey Johnson stuff like goes on sale and really discounted if you just wait a little bit, and that's what I did, and I got it for like so cheap for Black Friday, so here we go. You weren't ready. This is the most Jennifer purse of all the Jennifer purses. Oh. Ah! Are you kidding me? I hate this strap, by the way. I will be changing it, but just magnificent. Let me take all this stuff off so you can see the true product. Tag. It retails for $78. I literally think I got this for like $33. Like it was like 20 something, but shipping was like $8. Incredible. Goodbye this thing. Goodbye these things. Just like the cutest little like, yeah, let's take this strap off because like it's cute, but like it doesn't work. I'm gonna get like just like a regular like chain, like a silver chain from like Home Depot or something, and yeah, because like this just is not it. Oh, I missed a little doo-doo. Boom. Immaculate, beautiful, like the cutest little, just like the perfect little size purse. I am literally beyond obsessed. There's a little snap, just even without a chain, it's cute. Just a little handbag, just, and like boom, perfect, perfection. Ah! They also had this in like hot pink, and I'm pretty sure like a lime green also, but like the black is just like, it's everything, just perfect.